There is nothing good on TV. I want to go somewhere fun. Me too.
We have been sitting here all day.
You are both right. We should not waste such a beautiful day. How about an adventure?
Wow! Yay!
Surprise, surprise! Look at this letter. We won a trip. We are going to Yellowstone National Park.
Yay! Yay! Yellowstone! Wow! What will we see there, Mom? What will we see there, Mom? I want to see a real bison.
We can see amazing geysers, colorful hot springs, wild bison and elk, and beautiful canyons. It will be unforgettable. Ryan, why are you packing 10 toy cars? Remember, pack only important things.
What if yellow superheroes? Do not worry, Mom. I will double-check my bag before we leave.
Wow, you look amazing. Seeing you makes me want to go on our honeymoon again.
Oh, really? You still know how to flirt. Ryan, Yummy, bring your backpacks and come down. It is time to leave.
Yeah! I checked everything twice this time. Me too. This will be the best adventure ever.
We are on our way! Yellowstone is waiting for us.
I cannot wait to see Old Faithful. Look, Yummy! The clouds look like marshmallows.
We are finally in Yellowstone! Woohoo!
Look, kids! That is Old Faithful. It is one of the most famous geysers in the world.
Wow, it looks like a giant kettle. Wow! It is so tall. It is even bigger than in the pictures.
Let's take a family photo here. Everyone smile! Everyone smile! This is the Grand Prismatic Spring. It is the largest hot spring in America. The colors come from tiny living things.
The water is so blue and orange. It looks like a giant painting.
We can walk the boardwalk, but we must stay on the path to stay safe.
The ground feels so warm. This park is like another planet.
That is because the Earth is very active here.
Look, kids! The Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. That waterfall is taller than a 30-story building.
Wow, I can feel the mist on my face.
Let's take a family selfie before we go to see the animals.
Cheese! Next stop, wildlife. Yellowstone has one of the largest wild bison herds in America.
I cannot wait to see a real bison.
Look, kids, bison. They are America's national mammal. They can run very fast with their powerful legs.
They are so big and fluffy.
Welcome, explorers. I am Ranger Lisa. Remember, we watch wildlife from far away to keep both you and the animals safe.
We will be careful. Wow, look! Baby elk!
They are so cute. Yes, always stay calm and move slowly near wildlife.
Can I go a little closer for a better picture?
No, sweetie. We must stay back. Wild animals deserve our respect and space.
Ryan, you dropped your wrapper. Oh, it is just a small paper.
It is okay, right? Even a small wrapper can hurt animals. If a bison eats it, it can get very sick. In Yellowstone, we follow leave no trace. We take all our trash with us.
I am sorry. I did not think about that. I will pick it up and keep the park clean.
That is my thoughtful boy. You both did great today. You are now official junior rangers, protectors of Yellowstone.
Wow, we are real rangers.
See? We can see them even better from here, and they stay safe.
He is so fluffy. I love Yellowstone so much.
In bear country, we talk and clap so bears know we are here. It keeps everyone safe.
Hey, bears! We are coming through! This water is almost boiling hot. That is why we never touch it and always stay on the boardwalk.
I will stay far away.
Every place we visited today has been special, and we helped keep it beautiful.
That is what makes this adventure unforgettable.
My legs are a little tired, but I had the best day ever.
I saw a real bison and became a junior ranger. Today was amazing. Come on, Yummy. You did so well hiking.
Thanks, Ryan. With you beside me, I feel better.
Welcome to our campsite, explorers. Tonight, we sleep under the stars of Yellowstone.
Yay! Camping!
Teamwork makes it easy. Everyone helps a little.
I will hold this side. Yummy, you hold that side.
Careful, it is hot. Turn it slowly.
Look, mine is turning brown. Like the bison.
Oops! My marshmallow wanted to swim in the fire.
Silly Ryan, now you need a new one.
Look at all the stars. With no city lights, we can see so many.
Yellowstone is one of the best places in America to see the night sky. Long ago, Native people loved this land. They taught us to respect the earth and all its animals. Now it is our turn to protect it.
I promise I will always keep nature clean and respect animals.
I love being a junior ranger. We are so proud of you. I learned that even a small wrapper can make a big problem.
But doing the right thing feels
Really good. We came for adventure, but we found something more.
wonderful memories together.
We love Yellowstone.
Good night, my little explorers. Tomorrow we drive home. We'll stay in our hearts.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Remember, Junior Rangers, we leave the campsite cleaner than we found it.
All trash packed. We did it!
We must respect nature, keep a safe distance, and never leave trash behind.
Yes! Small actions make a big difference.
One last family photo before we head home. Everyone smile big!
Yay!
Thank you, Yellowstone, for an amazing adventure. Goodbye, Yellowstone.
See you again someday.
Goodbye, Bison. We will miss you.
Thank you, Yellowstone, for an amazing adventure. We saw beautiful geysers, colorful springs, canyons, and amazing animals. This has truly been an unforgettable family vacation.
I never want this trip to end.
Can we come back to Yellowstone again someday? Me neither. I want to see Old Faithful erupt again. I am sure we will.
The best part was not just the places, but being together as a family.
Memories made together are the greatest treasure.
Look at these amazing colors.
Wow, that bison is huge! Best family trip ever.
I love Yellowstone.
We are home with so many wonderful memories to treasure.
And we cannot wait for our next family adventure.
Kids, did you enjoy our Yellowstone adventure?
If you did, do not forget to give us a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe for more fun family adventures.
Every week we explore a new amazing place. Share this video with your friends and family.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever seen a geyser or a bison?